Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're someone who travels frequently and hates the hassle of dealing with a dull, damaged razor, then you're going to love today's review. We're talking about the Coghlan silicone razor covers, a must-have travel companion for your grooming routine. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a portable solution to protect your razor, this product is the answer. First off, the Coghlan's razor covers are made from high-quality silicone, which makes them both durable and flexible. This cover will not only keep your razor safe from nicks and scratches but also ensure it stays clean and dry when you're on the move. It's dishwasher safe, which means when you get home, you can easily clean it without any fuss. The design is simple yet effective. It comes in a 2-pack, one in blue and the other clear, allowing you to easily differentiate between multiple razors. This feature is perfect if you're traveling with more than one razor, as it keeps them organized and easy to access. The covers are lightweight, portable, and compact, making them perfect for slipping into your travel bag without taking up much space. Now, let's talk about practicality. The silicone construction is not only strong but also non-slip, so you can rest assured that your razor won't slide out of the cover. This ensures that your razor stays safely protected in your bag or toiletry kit. Plus, the covers are reusable, so you're getting a long-lasting solution for your shaving needs while on the go. If you're worried about the environment, you'll be happy to know that these covers are reusable, meaning less waste than those disposable plastic cases. They're eco-friendly, which is an added bonus when making a sustainable choice in your travel gear. In addition, these covers fit most razors, making them versatile for any shaving tool you prefer. So whether you're using a standard razor or a more specialized one, this cover is designed to accommodate them all. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best travel razor holder, the Coghlan silicone razor covers are your best bet. They offer durability, protection, and convenience in a compact, eco-friendly design. Perfect for anyone who values their razor and wants to keep it in pristine condition while on the go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews.